Hello and welcome to Physical Science 1 here at TU. My name is Professor Jim Caffey and I'll be the instructor for this course during this term. This is a 100% fully online course, so those of you who are in the seated course that was on campus, we had to switch you all to the online course due to some staffing changes. So welcome to my course. I created this course fully online last year. And I've done this many times. I've been teaching online since 2001. And so we're going to have a good time in here. And I appreciate your understanding. What I'd like to do is talk about a little bit what we're going to do in this course and the components and what we're going to learn in the course. So this is a 16-week course. We're going to have quizzes every week. We're going to have homework in mastering physics online. You'll see that in the syllabus, how to register for that, and you get up your textbook. There'll be 7 graded labs plus 2 pre-labs you'll have to complete before you can start the real labs in week 2 on getting started with the labs and lab safety. And you also have a video or a text discussion. Most of the time it'll be a video discussion, which may be a little bit different. If you've taken online courses before and you've had discussion boards, I do video discussion boards. I have another background for 25 years in television and video production, so I like doing a lot of videos like this. So this is a 4-credit course, so it does have a lab component to it, like I said. And one of the neat things we're going to have during this course that I won't have with any of my other schools or courses is that you will get to experience the total solar eclipse on Monday, August 21st, assuming that it's clear down there in Georgia. And you guys will see about a 90% coverage of a partial solar eclipse, whereas I'm actually based in Springfield, Missouri, in the Queen City of the Ozarks, about 2.5 hours south of Kansas City, 3 hours southwest of St. Louis, and down in southwest Missouri. And I'm going to be traveling what should be a 3-hour trip up to Westminster College in Fulton, Missouri to see the totality of it. I've never seen the totality of the eclipse. I've seen the other kinds of solar eclipses we have, and I've seen just about everything in astronomy there is to see except for a total solar eclipse, so I'm very excited. And we'll have a special little assignment for you for some bonus points during that part of week 2 coming up. So be prepared, get your solar eclipse glasses ready, and do not look at the sun without solar eclipse glasses or you will go blind and then you won't be able to see my course. So what are we going to do in this course? We're going to start with the nature of science and patterns of motion and equilibrium, how everything just kind of likes to level out. Chapter 2 will be very important the week of the eclipse. Newton's laws of motion, very, very, very critically important classical physics topic. Then we go into momentum and energy and how things keep moving or don't move. Gravity, projectiles, and satellites. And then we go into fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, and heat energy and heat transfer, and the change of phase, which is like going from ice to a liquid to a vapor. And then that's the end of the classical physics, the old stuff. And then we go into more newer stuff like static and current electricity. And during this time frame, we'll have the midterm exam. And then October 9th through the 15th, we have a fall break. Wonderful. A whole week off. I'll be in Las Vegas and at the Grand Canyon that week. So that worked out perfectly for me. Then we go on to some more of the more modern stuff, magnetism and electromagnetic induction, how we generate electricity, waves and sound, light, and then that'll be the end of the physics part. And then we go on to a little bit of the chemistry part, atoms and the periodic table, atomic nucleus and radioactivity and elements of chemistry. And then we'll have a nice little relaxing reflection discussion about what you learned this semester, and then a proctored final exam. And you'll see the information about that in the syllabus, and more information will be forthcoming about how to set that up as we get closer to that. So again, this is a 100% fully online course. I created this course from scratch last year at the request of my department chair. So I would ask you to, while the course is already pre-made, I will be tweaking things a little bit sometimes on Sundays. You're not allowed to work ahead. You can look ahead, but you're not allowed to work ahead of the week that we're actually in. And so on the Sunday, the day before the week starts, I will set up that week and all the quizzes and get the due dates ready so that when Monday comes, you can start that week's worth of work. Again, those of you who are in the seated course on campus, welcome to my online course. Again, we apologize for the shift and change, and I hope you'll stay with us. Um, I hope you'll find this to be a very enjoyable course, and I'm really looking forward to working with all of you. Again, welcome to Physical Science 1, and we'll see you online. Thanks.